Well, Pigeon had farrowed this morning and had 8 babies, 4 boys and 4 girls. Now we've got some decisions to make today. Not really decisions, but some actions to take. We've got to get the other babies out of here because Polly's babies. We got to move Polly and her babies that are 1 month old now because I just discovered an injury on one of these babies. It might turn so you see it again, but a nice little gash on one of them, and I'm sure it's probably Polly's babies. Now these babies are kind of skinny looking compared to Polly's. I guess it's because there were 2 more, and but you know, Polly's babies are going to be competing for milk with these little ones. Now there's the little runt. That's a skinny looking little rascal, little girl. Pigeon had 8 babies, 4 of each, 4 boys and 4 girls. So we're going to be moving Polly out of here today so these babies can get all of their mama's milk and hopefully get some weight on them pretty quick. But other than kind of skinny looking, which, you know what, I just don't remember. Polly's may have looked like this, you know, the day they were born too. So anyway, we've got babies. I would have never guessed, none of us would have guessed that Pigeon was a full month behind Polly, but she sure was. So you'll get to know them more soon, I guess, get to know them better, because you know we'll be out here filming and taking pictures.